Nope, won't fit.
Well, let's make you fit.
Come on, coiny. You're so close. Don't give up.
Now it's your turn, Pencil.
Oh, maybe we should give up. Why don't we just grab theirs?
Sounds good.
Almost there! Almost there!
Yoink!
Hey!
Awesome. Now shrink me. Wait, no, stop. Did we do it? Did we win the challenge?
Oh, great. Look what you did, Fries.
Whatever. She's more manageable like this.
Ouchie! Huh?
Guess who's back, baby?
Should we get involved?
Come here, tennis ball.
We're gonna murder you!
Don't do it!
Wait, where's our TV?
That's called the Doppler effect, by the way.
Wait! Needle and Bomb, you're about to go in the birdhouse. That is unacceptable!
Spin, 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 spin.
Fantastic! Oh, wait, they can't hear me, huh?
Coiny, tie down the enemy.
Jack of Hearts reporting for duty. It looks like it's the end of the line for you, Jiggle Boy.
Yeep!
And to think you were doing nerd nonsense with that droplet until we came along.
Yeep squared! Wait, nerd nonsense?
Yeah, hey, with the science thingies and pipes and...
Not nonsense. I'll have you know I was researching how to build my brand new growth ray.
Come on, Fries, you know better than to mock TB's genius.
What?
When I inspected Nickel, I figured out which chemicals shrunk him and took their metabolic inverse. If I can't fit in the birdhouse, maybe I can make the birdhouse fit me. No, Bommy, dodge it!
I bet Pencil is doing a much better job than us right now.
So, this is the birdhouse we're all supposed to be impressed by. Hey, why is this paint such an ugly color?
Yay! Get ready to shrink, TV!
Yay! It tickles!
Not for long!
Oh, okay.
So the birdhouse is in that?
Yeah, just fire the growth ray at the birdhouse, and only the birdhouse, and we can walk in. Easy peasy.
Alright.
Do not shoot the lead particles or historical objects! Both will wreak havoc on our ecosystem!
Yeah, whatever.
I believe that is not the birdhouse.
Bommy, deal with this!
You know what? Let's get a closer look ourselves.
Traveler, watch out for the lead! Whatever.
Yikes! Everyone's got lead in their head. Are they dead?
Well said.
Tennis ball, it's so good to see you again.
Whatever.
Here I go!
Do you know how to remove the lead from people?
Take this.
Hooray!
Yeah!
We can't swim any further than this.
The lead concentration is too high.
My body hurty.
Grr! This is all your fault, Fries. Book press it. Go.
Guys, pluck 3 protons off each atom.
Got it.
The Hearts are seconds away from winning this challenge.
That's it! Yeah, that is it.
And that's it! Pencil, Coiny, and Fries made it to the birdhouse first, so they're safe. Vote for the members of either the stars and quasi-rhombicosadodecahedrons to be eliminated. The one with the most likes wins a prize, and the one with the most dislikes is eliminated. See you all in BFDIA 16!
Yo, Hearts, I can't wait to witness the epitome of interior design.
And
I've always enjoyed decorating.
I've seen
Really,
it.
I've seen the experts doing it. They're probably the best in the field. So much ornamentation tables.
Hi,